Hello everyone, welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Question number 1. What should be the basis for the Election Commission's authority to verify citizenship during the special intensive revision of electoral rules? Option A. Constitutional requirement. Option B. Statutory requirement. Option C. Judicial directive. And option D. Executive order. The correct answer is option B. Recently, the Election Commission of India asserted that it is statutorily bound to ensure that only Indian citizens are registered as voters as stated in the case Association of Democratic Reforms and Others versus Election Commission of India before the Supreme Court. Question number 2. Why did Jagdeep Dhankar resign as the Vice President of India? Option A. To contest in the upcoming elections. Option B. To prioritize healthcare and follow medical advice. Option C. To take a break from politics. And option D. To assume a new role in the government. The correct answer is option B. Jagdeep Dhankar resigned as the Vice President of India, citing healthcare concerns and following medical advice as per Article 67 Clause A of the Indian Constitution. Question number 3. Under which provision can a portion of agricultural produce be exempted from attachment or sale in execution of a decree? Option A. Section 61. Option B. Section 60 Clause 1. Option C. Section 62. And option D. Section 63. The correct answer is option A. Section 61 of CPC allows the state government by general or special order published in the official gazette to declare that a portion of agricultural produce necessary for cultivation of land and support of judgment debtor and their family shall be exempted from attachment or sale during the execution of a decree. This exemption applies to agriculturalist or any class of agriculturalist. Question number 4. What must be done with offensive weapons seized during an arrest as per CRPC? Option A. Destroy the weapons. Option B. Hand over to the police station. Option C. Deliver to the court or officer. And option D. Retain by arresting officer. The correct answer is option C. Section 52 of the CRPC requires that any offensive weapon seized during an arrest must be delivered to the court or officer before whom the arrested person is produced. Question number 5. Maintenance pendental right under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 may be granted by the court. Option A. Only to the wife. Option B. Only to the husband. Option C. Only to the children. And option D. To either wife or husband. The correct answer is option D. Section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 provides that either the wife or the husband can seek maintenance pendental right if they lack independent income sufficient for their support and expenses of legal proceedings. It's the time for practice question. Prospectus of a company issued for subscription of its shares is option A. An offer. Option B. An invitation to make an offer. Option C. Cross offer. And option D. Counter offer. Pin down your answers in the comment section below.